Okay, so now we're going to be working on the back bodice darts. And every time you're working on the back side, you're going to have a dart on the princess line here as well. And then you're always going to have a dart up towards the shoulder line. So whenever you're working with the basic bodice, you always want to have a dart right above the shoulder. So we're going to practice our basic darts here on the shoulder and then here on the bottom half of the back. We traced it out, and then we have our markings for our darts, and we have to just mark the ends with the awl. So I'm going to puncture the pattern. And now I'm going to sew my basic dart from this point down and then also this point up. And I'll do that on the machine. So now we're going to fold it good side to good side, matching my notches. And I'm going to make my dart. So I'm going to back tack the top part, but I'm not going to back tack the bottom. I'm going to knot the end. So I'm not back tacking. I'm going to release. And then I'm going to knot it off. Then I'm going to trim. So I did my shoulder dart. Now I'm going to do the bottom half. My notches, I'm going to match my notches. And my pointer. I'm going to back tack the top but not the bottom. I'm going to knot the end. So this is what's going to look like when you're done. You have your shoulder dart and then your bottom half of the dart. So right here, this dart and the space here, there's no bust on the back or no curve really. So when you open it up, you really want to get the curve around the armhole and armpit. So that's why you have a dart going closer to the armhole. And then here on the bottom, it just is form-fitting for the waist part. So it's going to look like this.